begin to relax and slowly begin the process of going within. And so just let go. Let go of the day. Let go of everything. And just start slowing down. Maybe take a deep breath in. Let it go. Let's just take one more deep breath in. And let it go. Just let your body soften into the chair. And now I just want you to imagine yourself just walking along this quiet path. It may look like a desert path or a quiet valley. Or maybe it's a trail in the wilderness. And I just want you to imagine that this path represents one of the most moments in life when things feel uncertain. A moment when answers are not clear. When the future feels unknown. Perhaps maybe you've had one of these moments like that before. Who knows, maybe you're in one right now. And if you are, just know my heart goes out to you. But just notice the path. Notice the quiet. Just notice the space that's around you. And I know that at first it may feel lonely. Like you're walking by yourself, that there's nobody there. But just stay with that image just for a moment. And I just want you to consider looking again, maybe feeling again. And maybe just notice something that you may have not seen or felt before. And maybe, just maybe, allow yourself to feel that maybe there's a presence that's walking with you. It's not ahead of you. It's not behind you. The truth is, it's right beside you. Quiet, patient, and loving. You know, you may not have noticed it before because you were too busy searching for answers. Too upset, too hurt, too afraid. But just know that this presence is always there. Even when it doesn't feel like it. And just remember that when it says that you walk through the valley of the shadow of death, for thou art with me, it doesn't mean someday. It doesn't mean when this gets easier. What it's really saying is it's there right now. Even here, even when you're in the valley. And so just take a moment before we come out and allow that awareness to settle into your heart. And just remember, as hard as it may seem, that you are not alone, that you've done nothing wrong, that this someday will pass. But for now, I want you to let all of that go and just take care of yourself. Whatever you need to do, just take care of yourself. You are loved, and just know that we're here for you.